All right, my friends. So this is a personal box break for Kailua Drew. Now, if we somehow hit one of those hitless boxes, you just get another box. So no fear of the hitless box. This one has a hit, though, for sure. I seen it, and I put it at the bottom. Of thorns upon my liar's chair. Home run number 1. Stolen base number 2. No, I haven't hit any of the extra cards yet. I've seen them like on Twitter and stuff, but I haven't actually pulled one. Disappears. I am still right here. My sweetest friend. I hit 2 of the kanji short prints in the first case I opened, so I thought they were kind of common. I haven't hit one since. I haven't hit one since. So yeah, I don't know. Super would be amazing. Yeah, I talked to him. I told him to drop it down. I set his pricing. I just forgot to tell him that I dropped it a little bit. Because what's he at, $3.95? Yeah. I just told him to drop it. We've got too many boxes and, you know, I want to move them. All right, here you go. I'm cheaper by a penny. Well, his might be lucky. Ah, that's beautiful. Blue refractor for Kailua Drew. That's a beautiful card, bro. Congratulations. Home run 21. Blue refractor. It's Purdy. Going dry. All right, sir. Thank you very much. If you go downtown